Good day, welcome back to Mapleberry Farm. So today, what we're getting at, we're continuing on with the building. So see this here wall, this is inside the bathroom. I'll turn it around. So this wall here was inside the bathroom, right? And this was an exterior wall. But now, this wall is no longer an exterior wall because it's inside the house. So what we're doing is we're taking the insulation from in behind this wall and we're putting it out here because there's no need to have it in there, and then we'll replace it with some soundproof Roxel later on. Another thing we did the other day was we moved the stove over and moved the bricks all out, and the plate right there that was underneath it, that seal, that was all laying here, and where the water had gone under a bit, we moved it. So because there was actually some water under there we wanted to check, so we moved that out of the way so it would dry up, and it's drying up great. This whole area is drying up nice. It's actually pretty much dry now. In hindsight now, building the whole floor at once probably wasn't the best way to do it. It probably would have been best maybe to leave the steel posts just alone and then just building the 24 by 24, then adding the floor this year, so we didn't end up with that issue. But hindsight also is pointless at this point. So, but if I had to do it all over again, that's what I would do. I would have just done the 24 by 24 floor and then just added the floor and everything this year to the posts, right? Because we weren't doing the whole build at once. I mean, the best way would be just do the whole build at once, but that was not in the cards last year. But we're still working out, so that's fine. So we're gonna go ahead with this.
Yeah. Hey, better hope none of us have to use the washroom in the next few days. Look at this air mattress we got here. Thanks to Tech City. Another air mattress, a queen size, raised bed. The difference with this one is it's 18 inches high, and the other one I think was 20. Healthy, comfortable, portable, raised air bed. Well, probably because it's so comfortable. And I love that the Tech City air mattresses come in a bag. It's so awesome. This is the bag it comes in. So you can carry it places with you.
A tiny air mattress.
So there's the bag. And it fits so nicely in here. And it's got these big straps. It's so perfect. I love these bags. So easy to get the air mattress back into. So here's the mattress out of the box. I'm going to blow it up now. So you can see down here, you just plug it in. I mean, I just turn the generator on, it works great. So here you turn it on to inflate, here to deflate. And in this little section here is where the cord is all right here, rolled up. I got it plugged in, I have the generator on doing laundry anyway right now. So we'll inflate it.
Really hard.
So she seems to think it's good. So it's a queen size air mattress from Tech City, and it'll come in handy, that's for sure. As you can see, the place is completely under construction here. Excuse the mess. But yeah, these things are super awesome. Like this is the second air mattress we have, which will be really perfect because we plan on, once the house is like done, we want to take a little trip somewhere and get a tent so we don't have to haul the big camper around. Get a tent, and then we'll have an air mattress for Jeremy and I and an air mattress for Sam. And that will just be really awesome. Throw it in the back of the car. Oh yeah, we forgot to tell you that we got a car. We picked up a little Toyota Yaris. Let me see if I can take you out to the window and show you. We have somebody here right now doing our internet, no, fixing our satellite, because it got all, like when we did the addition, we had to take the satellite down. So he's here fixing that, but let's see over there. There's our little car. There's Jeremy and the little car. So we picked that up because with going back and forth to the camper and Jeremy playing ball and always running around everywhere, we've just been spending way too much money on gas for the truck. So we got that little car real cheap. So that's been awesome. Like the gas has just been really saving us. We've been having to spend way too much money on that. So yeah, we were thinking we'd pick up a tent and then we'd take these two air mattresses and go camping somewhere sometime. It'd probably be perfect. So another awesome air mattress thanks to E-Tech City. I love that they're raised. They're high, so you're not just sleeping right on the floor. They're big, they're super comfortable. You can just plug them into the car even and inflate them. And yeah, they're just a really nice air mattress that doesn't lose air. They're tested. Let me see, what does it say on the box? Here's the size, shows you in a picture here. Okay, that's not the best picture in the world, but 100% leakage test.
Okay, I'm back. Ashley had some technical difficulties there. She had recorded a whole kind of piece there and didn't have the mic on. So I'm gonna wrap it up. So the link is in the description for that mattress. That's the 18-inch, so it'll fit better in some other places. The other one was the 22. So we thought we would share that for anybody interested. So right now, I'll show you what I got going on here. So at the moment, I'm just running this fan here. It's pretty much all dried up all through here. Anyhow, pretty good, but just running it just to get any remaining moisture, whatever. May get a dehumidifier in the future for the summertime. Winter, we definitely would need it because the wood stove dries her up big time. So you seen I took this wall out, or this sheet of OSB here. I'm gonna take this one off too, and I'm gonna put something, you know, a different finish than the pine boards probably, and then the Roxel in here too. And now that this is opened up, it's also going to give me an easier way to frame in the tub here. So I'm gonna frame the tub in, and then you know, frame it and box it in, box in the fixtures in the back on the other side too. But for now, like I say, we're insulating this. I gotta actually build, let me show you here. You see where the trusses end here? That first truss was just put up against the wall and then we didn't need it. That's why you see two there. So that was because I had ordered a gable truss, they didn't send it. And then we ended up building the gable. So we had an extra truss and that was just tacked against the wall. It actually helps to tie in the wall. So whatever, it's all good. But anyways, what I'm saying here, you see this wall here, I don't have anything there. So when I'm running my boards here to fasten to, so I got to put a piece on that also. So I'm going to put a piece like a 2x4 up along here on the same edge as the rest of these. And then the boards will run right good with it, right? So we're going to throw the insulation all up in here. I mean, that's one of the next jobs I got to do. I got to do the vent up there, like, you know, and things like that. So lots to do, but just thought I'd show you what we're going to get at here. Another thing we got to do is add some batteries to the solar, which I haven't done yet, because we have that sub pump in for the well. It runs on 110, but it draws a lot more power, so we have to use it on the Jenny. So got to get a couple more things for that. Another thing that I found that I'm gonna do, this is all stuff kind of coming up. I'm giving you an overview of things that's gonna be coming up. But up here, the top, right? I'm gonna put a fan. And I found and actually ordered, and it's actually on its way, a 12-volt ceiling fan. So what it'll do, it'll just run from here and has LED lights in it. I guess it's pretty bright too. So, and then a remote with it to turn it off and on. But it's 12 volts. So what I'll do, I'll put it up here, and the fan will be good to, you know, it's good to have a fan up there for a lot of different reasons. I'll run the wire down through here and run it right to my batteries. So it'll be a 12-volt fan and light up here right in the middle. So that's going to be awesome. And I have that on the way, so I can't wait to put that up there and try it out. That'll be able to blow the warm air back down and circulate the air a bit, things like that. And a light right in the middle of the room, and it'll run off 12 volt. And I found all kinds of cool 12 volt batteries, or lights that I'm gonna probably set up in different rooms, like in the bedrooms. There's all these different fixtures. So that's another thing you'll see as you follow along. I'm gonna put like, you can put 12 volt lighting and run it through to the batteries. And it just runs on like a smaller gauge wire, kind of like, well, not real small gauge, but smaller than normal electrical would be. I'll show you here, let me show you. You see like this stuff here, that's the stuff that goes to the fridge. So stuff like that. I can't remember what it is, 18 gauge, or I can't remember the gauge off the top of my head, but I'll tell you when I do it. But I'm gonna put like light. I can get 12 volt light. I mean, this stuff, we got a lot of work to do in here, but a 12 volt light like over the mirror, 12 volt lights, you know, like center ones, and you can buy different ones. There's a lot of cool ones I found. I just found these today, so I'm pretty excited about them. I'll put like a one up here, and then you can run, they can run right to the batteries. And then we'll put this is just like a light like that, but I can put the switch right on the wall, like a switch to turn it off and on, just like a normal place. And it'll be super low power consumption and from the batteries, things like that. So that's something I wanted to share, and you'll be seeing it coming up here soon. So like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. We just get caught up on a whole bunch of reviews that we hadn't done, so we're caught up on those now. So now it's just going to go forward with your regularly scheduled programming. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.